Alright, hello, Mr. Beelan here with your science lesson for today. We are talking about acids, bases, and salts. So, first of all, what is an acid? So an acid is a substance that produces hydrogen ions in a solution. Okay, so an example of an acid would be HCl, hydrochloric acid, or HF, hydrofluoric acid. Okay, so any sort of compound that has H and something else is generally going to be an acid. Now, a couple properties of acids, all right? I wouldn't recommend tasting them, but if you do, they taste sour. Okay, so this would explain lemon juice or vinegar, as they are both acids. They have a sour taste. Acids are also good conductors of electricity. This is why we use them in our car batteries. Acids are also corrosive, and they react with something called an indicator, which we're going to go into more in depth in another video. An indicator will help tell you what type of solution you have, if it's an acidic solution or a basic solution. Now, a base is a substance that produces hydroxide ions in a solution. So sodium hydroxide is considered a base. Some examples of bases would be cleaning supplies, right? Bleach would be a very common base. Bases can be in an undissolved state. They don't need to be in a solution. And if they are not in a solution, they tend to actually be crystalline and in a solid form. If you feel a base solution, the texture will be slippery. It'll also taste bitter versus sour. And if it is a powerful base, it will also be corrosive. Just like acids, they react with indicators. Now, when you mix an acid and a base, you get a type of reaction, a very specific type of reaction. So let me put this up here. So if I mix an acid with a base, okay, I'm going to get something called neutralization. Now, a neutralization reaction is just a specific double replacement reaction where the hydrogen and the hydroxides are going to come together to form water. And the remaining piece is going to form something called a salt. Okay, so a neutralization reaction is a double replacement reaction that produces water and salt. We're not talking table salt, okay? I'm just talking about a salt as in it is the two remaining pieces of your acid and base. Okay, that is it for this little intro to acids and bases. Next, we're going to be talking about how to indicate the strength or how to find the strength of an acid or base using something called a pH scale. Okay, that's it. Take care.